Hi, so today we're going to take a look at a few things you can do with Atomized and Basecamp. Basecamp is a very popular project management tool and has been around for a while and used by quite a few folks. With this integration, you can do a few things. Create a file in Atomized when a file or event is added to a project. Or two, add a file to an asset library in Atomized when that file is added in a project in Basecamp. And then three, create a new flight in Atomized and have that create a new file in Basecamp. Cool. So let's jump into Atomized and have a look. Here we have our fictitious company, Atomic Coffee. I'm starting with the timeline canvas view. The timeline view is one of our more popular views. If we scroll down, we can see we have 2 flights already on the canvas. As a reminder, a flight is a container for a component of your workflow. It contains an asset, such as a document, an image, or a video. So let's create a new flight. Scroll over to our date. Excellent. So within our flight, let's add an image. Let's see what we got. Yep. Cool. So we've added an image, a couple having a cup of coffee. Let's add a title or some caption to it. Coffee break. Tuesday. Excellent. Now to trigger the event that will send it over to Basecamp, let's type Basecamp and use it as a tag and use that. Also, we can assign a person to it, so I can assign Courtney, or we can assign a status if we want. Let's save it. Awesome. So let's jump into Basecamp and see what we have. Again, we have our fictitious brand, Atomic Coffee. I have one project at the moment. We can see we have some activity already in the project. Scrolling down a bit, here we can see an image. Here we can see the image that we sent over from Atomized. Awesome. Let's have a closer look. Great. We can see the couple and the image that we sent over, and the details are all there. Excellent. We've sent an asset from Atomized into Basecamp. Let's visualize things from another direction. Earlier I mentioned that we can create a couple of things with this integration. We can create a flight based on a file we uploaded into Basecamp or an event. Let's take a look at creating a flight from a file added in Basecamp. So let's add a file. All right, so let's test something from our computer. Yep. Nice. The image looks great. Morning coffee, let it upload for a bit. And let's add a label. And if we add the label is what I've triggered this to send over to Atomized. So let's add Atomic as a label. Add. Great. And now we've got Atomic a label, and as added a key, let's see. Excellent. So now we've got our image, and now let's jump over to Atomized and see what we have. All right, let's scroll down and look at our new flight. Awesome. So we can see that our image came over. We've got the image and our new flight. We've got the title based on the image or the image name. And cool. So if we want to do a couple of things or a few things, we can add a title or a caption to this image. We're going to let folks know what we want to do. So it'll be, yep, great. Excellent. And if we want to add a user, let's see, we can add Courtney to this. Yep, so Courtney knows she needs to be aware of it. We can set a status. Set it to draft. Awesome. And we're good. All right, so now let's add a file to our asset library in Atomize from a file we uploaded in Basecamp. So let's scroll down and add a file. Select something from our computer. See here what we have. Cool. Excellent. And give it a second to upload. But while it's uploading, let's go ahead and add a label, atomic. And that will trigger an event that will alert the system to send it over to Atomize. Great. Looks good. Let's add Matthew. That's up here. Give it an upload. Excellent. So let's jump over to Atomized. And if we scroll over and look down, or let's just go to Asset View. Our asset library. Excellent. Click on our image and look at what we have. Image looks great. Dream big. I like it. I'll approve it. And awesome. So great. Those are a couple of things, or a few things that you can do with Atomized and Basecamp. There are a few other things you can do, but I hope this was informative. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at help.atomize.com. Or if you're in Atomize, feel free to click on the chat link, and we're always there to help. Happy to help, and have a good day. Bye.